I told you I was going to talk about Tim. I didn't forget about you, Tim. I know you watch the show. I know you love it specifically.
Oh, he's a fan.
Yeah, when Tim's the topic of conversation, he tunes in.
Okay.
Because someone will tweet him and he'll say, "Oh, I'll go check out Lou Later's show." Of course, he's gonna be on the show one day. You don't know that yet, but like he's gonna. That's what I hear. That's the word on the street. Anyway, here's an interesting one via The Verge. Why won't Tim Cook pose with his own AirPods? Yeah, you didn't know this, Kirk. Tim, you're not gonna catch Tim with the AirPods. You're not gonna catch Tim doing a photo shoot to market the new AirPods, even though he's about to make a couple billion off it. Instead, they just Photoshop it in. You see that, Will?
Oh.
The Apple team, they just go, they hit the Photoshop, and they insert the AirPod Pro in there into his pre-existing profile, and they don't say anything about it. And it's not the first time they did it either. If you scroll down a little bit, they just did it with the Pro, but previously they Photoshopped in an AirPod to another pre-existing image where he's writing on an iPad. So Tim, you can't catch a photo of Tim with the AirPod. You got to Photoshop it if you want it. His team can't go bother him and say, "Tim, can we get a quick photo? Man, can we just throw an AirPod in there and catch a photo real quick?" And
he's like, "Nah."
He's too busy. Guy like Tim, he's marching around, spreadsheets, dollar signs, assembly line, supply chain. You know what it's like to be Tim, Will?
I couldn't imagine.
Yeah, exactly. You got no time for these photo shoots. No. You just look at them and you say, "Photoshop it in. I'm a busy man. Can't you see? I'm walking from A to B. What you mean photo shoot?" That's Tim Cook right there. Anyway, people are speculating why it is that he might not wear them. He claims to wear them all the time. In that interview that's listed in the same article, he's talking about how much he loves AirPods, but he's not wearing them. He loves them so much, you'll never catch him wearing them. Well, he's got to wear them now. Now that it's a story, just put the AirPods on, Tim.
Every time.
Get a fresh profile pic. Hot new pic. The social media universe will love it. AirPods Pro, he can even tell you what his fit is. You know? Because he's always coming out with the fresh sneakers. We talked about it. Always comes to the event with the fresh sneakers. So come with the fresh AirPods.
Yeah, why not?
So, anyway, people are speculating exactly what the reason is. It's probably no big reason. It's probably exactly what I said. Tim Cook's a busy man. If you can Photoshop it as far as he's concerned, or maybe he loves the speculation.